Hello, good evening, everyone. I am Aditi Patoe from Mentoring Finance. Today, I have the pleasure of introducing Mr. Pradeep Mestri, a distinguished alumnus of our institution. Mr. Mestri hails from the vibrant city of Amchi, Mumbai, and boasts an impressive educational background, holding qualifications such as CA, CMA, and Diploma in IFRS. Currently, he serves as a Chief Financial Officer at MSL Driveline System Limited, bringing his wealth and expertise and experience to the table, having passed the Diploma IFRS examination in December 2011. Sir, uh, do you want to say something about yourself?
Yeah, I mean, I think you already introduced myself, so I won't
Yes.
spend much time in introducing myself. I mean, I can straight away come to the topic is about the IFRS. I completed the course almost 13 years back, pretty long back actually. I appeared in the December 2011 batch.
Okay.
The main purpose actually why I did, it's got, of course, not for a career boost or anything, but to gain a
Okay.
knowledge because 2011 India were not really using the Ind AS accounting. We were doing as per IGAP, and there was a buzz that this is going to come, sooner or later in India, and everyone actually was sort of preparing themselves to sort of ensure that everybody is well equipped with Ind AS and also know exactly what it is and prepare the financials whenever actually it will get implemented. So I joined the course to understand the Ind AS. I mean, of course, the course was more about IFRS, but there's no much variation between IFRS and Ind AS. So the purpose, as I told you, was to know IFRS, Ind AS, and to utilize the knowledge in actual implementation of it in my own company. So that is also the brief purpose that why I joined this course.
Okay, sir.
And
Thank you.
yeah,
No, sir. If you want to continue.
and while I was doing this course, we solved a lot of practical problems. So there are a lot of I will say practical insight which we got, and also the study material which was provided to us was good quality. It helped me to understand the Ind AS in a better way, and also I got an in-depth analysis of the Ind AS.
Okay, sir. Shall we jump in for the questions?
Yeah.
Yeah. So the first question I wanted to ask you is why you decided to take this course on IFRS?
I think I already explained you that in 2011, everybody was talking about IFRS and Ind AS because in India, uh, the Ind AS and IFRS was to get implemented sooner or later, and so to be the first amongst equals, that was the main reason why actually I joined this course so that I can implement in a better way. I can understand the IFRS and Ind AS in a better way. That was the main purpose why I joined this course. I think you're on mute.
Yes, sorry, sir. So the next question is like, can you share an example of how you have used IFRS knowledge to make a positive impact at work?
I think I can tell you that in 2016, my company, for the first time, we adopted the IFRS, and it was a very smooth transition for my company because it was not just for my company, but my accounts were also required to get consolidated in my parent company. So there was smooth transition for me and for the parent company also, as far as the consolidation process is concerned, and also for my audit committee. It was really necessary for them to explain what are the variation, what exactly is the Ind AS is all about, and how is it different than the IGAP, and how exactly it is affecting the profitability. And the most important thing is the difference in the formats. The format,
Okay.
the way the IGAP accounts were presented and the Ind AS account were presented was different, and it was really necessary for them to explain them the things like other comprehensive income, the statement of equity, These were some new terms were there. So, and also there are certain things like the leasehold land. Now under IGAP, leasehold land is still been considered an asset, whereas under IND-AS there's a complete different treatment of land, leasehold land. So it was really necessary for the audit committee to explain what exactly is all about and why exactly it's been done. Like we always say IND-AS or IFRS, it's all about not about the form, but it's more about, I will say, the content.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So that was really necessary.
Okay, sir. Good to know about that. So, sir, what advice would you give to future student considering taking up these courses?
I think the advice which I'll give them is that focus more on practical. Try to read the, because now fortunately now all listed companies they are doing India's accounts. So they should read the annual reports, annual accounts of the companies, and they should try to understand more and more about the practical situations, the presentation, the disclosures. These are the very key things. And then only perhaps I personally feel is that they can understand the IFRS in a better way.
Okay. Thank you so much, sir. And any special memory about our institute, or do you want to share something about Rammohan, sir?
I think
Uh,
there are many things which perhaps I can say is especially the classroom trainings, the experience in the classroom trainings. So every lecture used to be a good memory, like the discussions, like this all discussions used to be participative discussions. So interactive sessions used to be there. So those all are, say, good memories.
uh, Anything about Bhave, sir? Do you want to
I
speak
think I
about?
know Mr. Bhave for a very long time. I mean, even before
Yeah.
actually I started joining IFRS. So I know that he has got a good treasure of knowledge, and
Yes, sir.
he has practically implemented the IFRS even before it was implemented in India. So I will
Yes.
say these are the few good things about Mr. Bhave, which I'll say.
Okay. So thank you so much, sir, for your time. And your insights were really valuable for the institute. So, yeah, thank you so much, sir,
Thank you.
for joining us today.
Okay. Bye.